rewrite my CV. Okay. This time, make it more concise.
Now, a lot of you all are abusing ChatGPT worse than celebrities do their assistants. Remember, it was meant to be utilized as a tool and a resource, not your personal assistant to do everything you needed to do. Everybody is forgetting the most important ingredient to finding you your next job and landing the perfect job opportunity for you is yourself and your skill set. Now, if it's your first time ever seeing me, I'm Anthony Harris. I'm a career executive for well over the last decade, and I assist career professionals and job seekers help you land your next job opportunity quicker and easier. Now, remember, ChatGPT is just supposed to be utilized as a resource. Now, I know a lot of people have been utilizing it to put your resume in for it to spit you out a resume specific to the job title. But that's just not the only thing that you need to do with it. You need to have other eyes or other people look at it and make sure that you are utilizing it to the best of its ability and make sure that you're also showcasing your skill set because it doesn't matter if you just have a perfect resume and it's not just the generic ones that ChatGPT spits out for you. If you have a great resume, but you don't have the skill set when you walk into the interview, you will still never land that job. You need to be able to showcase a great resume matching with your LinkedIn profile. And that also matches with your interview skills in order to land you your next job. That job interview is key because we're going to see in person as a hiring executive if what you spit out on that resume, and if you're just letting ChatGPT do it, then you may not know how to eloquently speak about your skill set as eloquently as it may have placed it, then you're never going to land you your next job opportunity. So if you need any assistance on that, this Saturday at the Tube of You, I will be having a live session at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time to help you answer any questions that you may have, whether that's about the job interview skills, how to utilize ChatGPT effectively, or help you just simply update things on your resumes or how to look for job opportunities. Make sure you click the link down in the description. I have a link to the live session for this next Saturday. So if you can join, please do. If you need any other assistance or have any questions on any of the other services I offer at Legacy Careers, make sure you go to my website, legacycareersllc.com. If you need anything else, Career Warriors, please let me know. Peace.